Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to use Kuma AI in Baserow.io. But first, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more Baserow.io tutorials. So open Baserow on your WordPress and log into your account. You'll get this dashboard. On the left sidebar, you'll find Kuma AI. Just click on Kuma AI to start working with Kuma AI. So this is a chatbot integrated into Baserow.io, so it's AI assistant. This will help you bear the load so it never feels heavy. You can ask Kuma to create a database to create an automation and invite users. For example, say invite users. How do I invite users to my workspace? So you can ask any single question that you have to Kuma, and it will guide you through the steps to solve that question and find the correct answer to it. This is how to use Kuma AI into a business that if you want to subscribe, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment.